Welcome to the product tutorials on Timeoff Templates and Timeoff settings. I'm now logged into the Replicon instance. Let's first look at the Timeoff templates that you can create in Replicon. In order to create a Timeoff template, go to Administration and click on Timeoff Templates available under the Timeoff section. You will see an Add Timeoff Template button available here. Click on Add Timeoff Template. Input a name and a description if you would like to. Choose the status, whether it has to be enabled or disabled depending on your requirement, and then check or uncheck the fields as per the requirement. Let's look at these fields one by one. The first option says show other users time off on calendar. If this is checked, you as a user or any user who has been assigned this particular time off template will be able to see all the other users' time offs that they have booked for that particular period. The next are the options for enabling custom fields. The last option that you see here, which says restrict bookings to timesheet period and hide the workers time off tab. If this is enabled, any user who has been assigned this particular time off template will be able to book a time off directly from the timesheet page and would not see a time off tab at the top. When we say the time off or the timesheet tab, we mean these two tabs available under the My Replicon section. Once you have checked all the options and once you have input all the details, click on the Add button and this would be available as a template in the system. This is how you can create a time off template. Now let's look at time off settings. In order to see the time off settings, go to Administration and click on time off settings available under the time off section. The two things that you will see here are the time off type for holidays and the custom fields. The time off type for holidays specifies that which time off will be used when you're auto-populating a holiday on a timesheet. If you've chosen holiday here, then the holiday that's been auto-populated on the timesheet will use this particular time off type. You do have an option to create custom or user-defined fields here. To create that, you can click on the unused click to add option available. Choose a name. Choose the type that you would like this user-defined field to be available as. Put in a maximum length or a default value in terms of drop-down. These default value will be available after you have input some details here. So let's say I input two values, yes and no. Then I would see these two options coming up as a default value. Choose whether this field has to be required, if it has to be enabled or hidden. Please note that this field will be available on the book time off pop-up that comes up when you click on the book time off button. This is what works for the time off settings. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon using Replicon Community? In order to access Replicon Community, on the home page, go to Customer Zone and then click on Community. You can now sign in or register and start posting your ideas, queries, questions, and one of our product management team members or the Replicon specialists will get in touch with you immediately.